If you're having trouble on Steam because you can't add friends or you can't find friends in search, don't worry, this is usually a fixable issue. In this video, I'll walk you through the best steps in order, starting with the fastest method and moving into the settings that usually cause the problem. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Steam fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get right into it. The first and most reliable thing to try is the direct friend code method. Steam's search system can sometimes be delayed, especially if you're trying to find a newer account, a common username, or someone whose profile visibility is limited. Using a friend code bypasses that problem completely. To do this, open Steam and move your mouse over your username at the top of the window. From the drop-down menu, click Friends. On the Friends page, look over to the left sidebar and select Add a Friend. Here, you should see your friend code, which is usually an 8 or 9 digit number. Copy that code and send it to your friend or ask them to send theirs to you. Then paste the code into the Enter a Friend code box and press Enter. If the code works, the friend request should go through much more reliably than the regular search bar. If that still does not solve the issue, the next thing to check is your profile privacy settings. If your Steam profile is set to private, other users may not be able to find you in search at all. To check this, go to your profile and click Edit Profile. From there, open privacy settings in the left sidebar. Make sure my profile is set to public. Also check the setting for can post comments on my profile and set it to either public or friends only, depending on your preference. While you're in this menu, scroll down and make sure there are no extra restrictions on things like inventory or game details that could limit how visible your account appears to other users. Even one privacy restriction can make it seem like Steam search is broken when the real issue is just visibility settings. Now let's move on to the blocked list. This is a simple step, but it is easy to overlook. Sometimes a person can end up blocked by accident, and if that happens, you won't be able to add them or interact with their profile normally. To check, go back to the Add a Friend page inside Steam. On the left-hand menu, click Blocked. If the person you are looking for appears in that list, select their name and click Unblock. After that, go back and try sending the friend request again. This alone can instantly fix the problem if the issue was caused by an accidental block. If the Add Friend button is clickable but nothing happens when you press it, then the problem may be with Steam's internal web cache. Steam uses a built-in browser for some parts of the interface, and if that cache gets stuck or corrupted, friend-related features can stop responding correctly. To clear it, click Steam in the top left corner of the app, then go to Settings. Depending on your version of Steam, you may need to look under the In-Game tab or the Interface tab. Find the option that says Delete Browser Cache and click it. Confirm the action, then restart Steam completely. Once Steam reopens, try the invite process again and see if the Add Friend button works properly. After going through these steps, most Steam friend list problems should be fixed. In many cases, the issue is either a privacy setting, a blocked user, or just Steam being slow to process friend searches. The friend code method is usually the quickest solution, so that is always the best place to start. If you're still having trouble after this, you may want to restart your computer, update Steam, or check whether Steam is experiencing a temporary service issue. I hope this video helped you get your friend requests working again on Steam. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future gaming and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.